Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you a way to send report information via email. There are many options, but I will show you the simplest and most dynamic approach. We will create a measure in Power BI called email2, which has 4 main steps. We create a variable called Salto to add a line breaks in DAX, making the code cleaner and easier to read. We use ADDCOLUMNS to define which columns we want to include in the email. To add more columns, simply concatenate them using and then Salto variable. Using CONCATENATEX, we merge all the rows of the table into a single string, giving it a table-like format for the email. We create the body variables, which include greetings, table headers, and the concatenated lines. Here we use the URL codes for space and line breaks. Finally, in the return, we build a mail-to link with the subject and the body that we will send. Once the measure is ready, we can do two things: add it to the main table to send the processed line by email, or create a new table containing only the measure. Then enable the URL icon to make it a clickable email button. This way you can send the full table directly from Power BI. And that's it. This allows you to send report information dynamic and simple way. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget this, just like and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye.